Hello everyone. This is regarding the feedback of the Wonder Lab which we are having in our school. As a teacher, I feel that because of this lab which has been set up this year, students have learned so many things. Like there are hands-on learning activities which I feel that when they do in class, like when we are speaking, they are learning, but when they do with their hands, they learn more, which they keep in their mind forever, and they enjoy doing many activities in the STEM lab or the Wonder lab, I say, and I feel that it should go on. Thank you.
So the STEM lab was too good, so innovative, so productive. Our kids have learned a lot undoubtedly, and it should be continued in the same way.
I think STEM lab is a fabulous thing which children show a lot of interest in, and with their unit tiles and other playing material and the board games, it definitely stimulates the curiosity and makes their learning better. I think it's a phenomenal transformation